Hey everyone, I'm Brianna. I'm an online yoga teacher. And in today's class, we're just going to go over some wrist stretches. These are awesome to take to your desk. Uh, let's get started. Making sure you're sitting up nice and tall. Extend your arms forwards, and then you're going to make a fist. And then you're going to bring your fists towards each other as if you were going to fist bump yourself. But you don't need to actually do that. Again, check in with your spine, make sure your arms are nice and long, and then make that fist, and you should start to maybe feel a stretch here if that area is tight. We all have different bodies, so maybe this isn't doing anything for you, or maybe this is the most excruciating pain you've ever been in. In that case, maybe decrease the stretch a little bit. But here is one, and you're going to want to hold for at least 10 seconds. Make sure that you're breathing in and out nice and deep through your nose. And we can gently release and then extend your fingertips and then point your palms towards the front of the room. Arms are nice and long, shoulders are relaxed. And then you're going to part the air as you extend your arms into a T. Fingertips pointing back as much as they can, and then you might feel a stretch on the inside of your wrist. Continue to breathe, taking time to focus on your breath, following every inhale and every exhale can really help with regaining your focus. If you're one of those people that's constantly scrolling, whether it's TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram, your attention span, you might have noticed, is shortening. So taking the time to focus on your breath can help. Go ahead and release your hands. You can bring your arms down. Let's roll our shoulders out. Another stretch is, this one looks silly. Let's bring our fingertips and our thumb together, and we're going to flip our hands to make a mask. You have to poke yourself in the nose or the eye. Sit up nice and tall, elbows pressed back, and you're going to slide your pinky finger down the side of your face. I know this looks ridiculous, but it's great for stretching your wrist and taking some pressure off the ulnar nerve. Try to relax your shoulders as you continue to keep your spine nice and long, and continue to breathe nice and deep. And we'll gently release. Bring your hands together, clasp your fingers together, extend your arms long, and then we're going to just draw figure eights with our knuckles. And see if you can switch directions. It's a little confusing because this is an infinity figure. Just continue to breathe. And let's release our arms, release your hands, take a deep breath in. So exhale out. And now we'll take right arm long, reach out as if extending to accept something. Press your fingertips down with your left hand. And remember to be gentle with yourself. And gently release. Flip your palm as if extending it to shake, or maybe not to shake hands. Someone's going to kiss your hand. Fingertips down and breathe. And we gently release. Give your arms a quick break. Maybe roll your shoulders. And we'll do the other side. Extend to accept something. Press your fingertips down. And we breathe. If you're having a hard time focusing, if your brain keeps wandering to other things, try counting your breaths. 1 round is an inhale and an exhale. And let's release. Flip the palm, fingertips down. This always reminds me of the Karate Kid. But maybe that's just me. And gently release. Thank you for practicing with me today. I would love to see you in one of my online live classes. They're only 30 minutes and they're super cheap. Well, I'm going to say, have a great week.